Today in this video we have covered Singer Futura XL-400 embroidery machine overview. The Singer Futura XL-400 is a versatile sewing and embroidery machine, ideal for beginners and experienced crafters. With a large embroidery area, user-friendly design features, and easy connectivity, it's designed to make both sewing and embroidery accessible and enjoyable. Key features and descriptions. Number 1. Large 10 by 6 inches embroidery area. The XL-400 offers a spacious 10 by 6 inch embroidery area, perfect for larger designs and projects like quilts, jackets and home decor, allowing users to complete intricate designs with fewer re-hoops. Number 2. 125 built-in embroidery designs and 5 fonts. With 125 built-in designs and 5 fonts, the machine offers an array of creative choices for personalizing items. Users can choose from floral, seasonal and geometric designs, as well as fonts for adding custom text. Number 3. Multi-hoop capability. Multi-hoop capability lets users create large designs up to 12 by 20 inches, ideal for oversized projects. This feature expands the machine's versatility for larger or more detailed creations. Number 4. USB connectivity for easy design import. With USB connectivity, users can easily import custom designs from their computer, making it simple to expand their design options beyond what's built in, perfect for personal or theme projects. Number 5. SwiftSmart threading and drop and sew bobbin system. SwiftSmart threading and the drop and sew bobbin system make setup fast and hassle-free. These features are great for beginners, allowing users to start projects without complicated setup steps. Number 6. Automatic needle threader and thread cutter. The automatic needle threader and built-in thread cutter make transitions smooth, saving time and adding convenience for both embroidery and sewing functions. Number 7. Electronic autopilot and speed control. The XL-400's autopilot function and adjustable speed control allow users to customize the sewing speed, providing steady control during intricate designs or letting the machine work independently for hands-free stitching. Pricing. The Singer Futura XL-400 embroidery machine is typically priced between $800 and $1,000, making it a budget-friendly choice with a variety of features. Its versatility and accessible pricing make it an excellent choice for hobbyists, beginners, and small business projects. If you want custom, professional quality embroidery designs, Digitizing.com is the place to go. They provide embroidery digitizing and vector art services, allowing you to turn any logo or design idea into an embroidery file that stitches out beautifully on machines. Whether you need logo digitizing, 3D puff digitizing, or detailed custom designs, they offer fast turnaround and high quality service. Digitizing.com makes it easy for you to create unique, high quality embroidery.